Welcome back, everybody. I know we all have our least favorite weather. This is probably mine when the weather is like this, with really just nasty breathing conditions outside. 77 degrees. If we didn't have the smoke, it would have been a lovely day. Our sky cam from Geyser looking back at the Highwoods. Yep, they're out there, but just obscured by the smoke that is out there. In Great Falls, 67 degrees, northeast wind of 14 miles per hour, and the air quality is improving a little bit around Great Falls. Kind of see some of that cooler air off towards the north and into central Montana in the 60s here, 70s and 80s out ahead of this little boundary that is pushing some of the real high concentrated smoke down to the south here, but don't expect to get rid of it anytime soon. On the radar, not much going on. We talked about Bridger Foothills fire. Not much growth on this. The containment continues to go up here. Cause lightning, a lightning holdover. State Creek fire, still some activity here, but we're up to 50% on that fire there. That's in some really rugged terrain and just nastiness with all the trees that are dead and downed and hung up in many areas. The Drumming fire, still a little activity on this. Nothing's really blowing up here in the state, and this is great news. The Bobcat fire 100% contained right now. I'll be following that just to make sure that it is out, but our weather pattern not the best for clean air. We've got this low pressure off the coast, southwest flow, and that's pushing all of the smoke from the wildfires to the west, even into Idaho, right up into Montana. Now, Hurricane Sally, if you watched last night at 10 o'clock, I showed this radar, and it's almost in the exact same location here. So imagine being somewhere on the panhandle of Florida or Alabama or Mississippi there, where you're just bombarded by this storm for now at least 24 hours straight here. Signs that it is slowly moving are happening here, but still, that's a bad storm. Remember, we've got our little tropical system that may come up here and provide a little rainfall for coastal areas, but also into Montana. There's that low, and we're in this pattern where it's kind of just converging the smoke on Montana. Remember last week at this time we had skies about as blue as that right there, but this is the wildfire smoke, and southwest flow ahead of that low pressure. It's going to continue to transport this smoke from mainly outside of state into state. A lot of these wildfires burning are producing a lot of smoke. We get a little system coming through Saturday and Sunday that will provide some rain, but right after that, the flow continues out of the west and the southwest, so we'll likely still be dealing with some of that smoke even into next week after a little cleaner air coming through for Saturday and Sunday. But there you can see quiet weather for Thursday. Friday, a couple of late evening thunderstorms, and here comes that system with some tropical moisture as we go through Saturday into Sunday. A little wind should help to kind of blow some of that smoke out, but again, we're not looking at a season-ending storm system that produces widespread rainfall and snow here throughout the west anytime soon. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. Still mostly smoky skies with temperatures in the 70s to around 80 degrees. For Thursday, mostly smoky skies again, 70s and 80s. Not much in the way of wind. The air quality really is not going to improve much until maybe this weekend. Friday, a couple of late storms in the western part of the state, and then Saturday, low pressure moves right over the state, scattered showers and storms, and we'll have some cooler air as well. Here's the 7-day forecast for Helena. Smoky skies the next few days with poor air quality. A little relief here this weekend. Certainly will be nice to get some moisture into the state. And for Great Falls, a little cooler the next couple of days, but equally as smoky. And let's hope for some rain this weekend.